Imagine downloading a simple desktop app like a calculator or a to-do list, and discovering it eats up half a gigabyte of your RAM and takes 150 megabytes to install. Why? Because under the hood, it bundled an entire Google Chromium browser and a Node.js runtime just to show you a couple of buttons. For years, this was the ugly, accepted reality of desktop development with Electron. Apps like Slack, VS Code, and Discord made our lives easier, but they slowly turned our laptops into hot, battery-draining fans. But today, that era is officially over. Welcome to Tauri. If you are building desktop or mobile applications today, Tauri is easily one of the most exciting, game-changing frameworks you will ever encounter. It allows you to build lightning-fast, ultra-lightweight, and ironclad cross-platform apps using the web technologies you already know and love, like React, Vue, Svelte, Tailwind, or plain HTML and JavaScript. The secret behind Tauri's mind-blowing performance comes down to one brilliant architectural decision. Instead of shipping a heavy, battery-choking browser inside your app binary, like Electron does, Tauri completely strips that overhead away. Instead, it uses the native web engine that is already built directly into your operating system. WebKit on macOS and iOS, WebView 2 on Windows, and WebKit GTK on Linux or Android. The result of this single decision is staggering. Where an Electron app installer regularly hits 120 megabytes or more, a standard Tauri application can easily clock in at under 10 megabytes, sometimes even under 5 megabytes. It boots up almost instantly, uses a tiny fraction of system memory, and runs smooth as silk even on older hardware. On the back end, Tauri completely replaces Node.js with Rust, one of the fastest, safest, and most memory-efficient programming languages in existence today. Through Tauri's type-safe interprocess communication, or IP, your front-end JavaScript can trigger high-performance Rust functions directly. Need to parse a 10 GB file, process heavy audio streams, interact with system drivers, or encrypt sensitive user data. You write that heavy logic in Rust, and your UI gets the results blazingly fast without ever freezing or dropping frames. Security is another area where Tauri sets an entirely new industry standard. Traditional desktop frameworks often grant the front-end unrestricted access to your entire system by default. If a hacker manages to inject a malicious script into your web view, they get instant access to your computer. Tauri flips this dangerous safety model on its head with a strict, permission-based capability model. Unless you explicitly grant permissions in your configuration files, your app's UI cannot touch the file system, make arbitrary network calls, or access system APIs. Even if malicious code makes its way into your front end, your underlying system remains completely sandboxed and protected. And the best part with Tauri 2.0, you are no longer limited to just desktop platforms. A single Tauri codebase can now target Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android simultaneously. You write your web UI once, back it up with Rust's cross-platform power, and deploy to app stores across desktop and mobile seamlessly. You don't need to be a seasoned Rust expert to get started either. If you just want to build an app using web APIs, Tauri handles all the underlying Rust compilation automatically. It gives you intuitive CLI tools to run dev servers, debug in real time, and bundle production-ready installers for every platform with a single command. The era of bloated memory-hogging desktop software that drains laptop batteries is coming to a hard end. By combining the flexibility and beauty of modern web front-end frameworks with the raw speed, safety, and efficiency of Rust, Tauri gives developers the ultimate toolset to build the future of software.